Okay, so I decided to work on the SE today just because I got the intercooler finally. I was being kind of lazy as wanted to drive up there and then me and Trevor never went up there. Then I never wanted to go up there. So I just ordered it online like Trevor said.
You got it a week later.
And it came the next day. Came the next day. So I'm gonna put this intercooler on the SE and then, yeah, then I'll actually be able to hit boost again. Put the intercooler on, and I need to figure out something to do with the brackets because I'm gonna have to come through the shield or this ducting and come up and attach them to the support. Right now I have it pretty much just kind of zip tied up. I mean, that's just kind of, it holds itself up, but that just kind of helps it stay in place. So I like the size of the intercooler because it's not gonna hang any lower than the bumper, and it will cool a 1J. I mean, it's not making that much heat, stock boost and everything. So I'm gonna put the front bumper on there and see if these high beams work. Maybe go take it for a little rip around the parking lot and see if it gets some boost and everything. So the front bumper is back on. The car almost needs to go a little bit lower, but I think it has 19s on it right now. And you can see the intercooler doesn't really hang below the bumper. I mean, maybe a little bit, but I mean, it looks a lot better than it used to. And once I get some brackets and stuff made, it'll actually be held up in there. So I'm gonna go take this for like a little test drive and see what happens. I'll be like, how to find Trevor Jamison. It's kind of mad. I don't know why. Mess with the alignment, it's like shaky. I think the oil cooler is rubbing the tire. I think it's a little bit happier now. I baked him down the straight going to the coming back in the parking lot.
Really that fast?
No! It's open! Huh? Yeah, I mean... Okay, so that's it for tonight. I took the SC for a little drive. I think my head cam worked, so hopefully when I edit the video, it actually has the head cam footage of me taking it for a drive. And then I did like a live stream, did like kind of a burnout, and then I like kind of ripped it and kind of slid it a little bit. But yeah, it runs a lot better. The intercooler works. I just need to make some brackets to hold it up. So thanks for watching. Comment below. See you guys tomorrow.